Manufacture of sucrose or common sugar consists of 4 steps. First step is extraction. Extraction of the juice from the source. The source can be sugarcane or sugar beet. After extracting juice from the source, next step is purification. This step removes any impurity present in extracted juice. Third step is called concentration and crystallization. Fourth step is separation and drying of crystals from the concentrated syrup. Let me explain you each of these steps in detail. Sugarcane or sugar beet is cut into pieces, crushed in a series of roller mills. Roller mills use cylindrical rollers in opposing pairs which crush the sugarcane to extract juice from it. Maximum extraction of juice is ensured. The residue from the sugarcane after extracting the juice is a cellulose. Cellulose cannot be digested by humans, hence this is not edible. This residual cellulose material of the sugarcane is called bagasse. Bagasse is used as a fuel or as a raw material to prepare cardboard, which is known as cellotex. The extracted juice is warmed and run into settling tanks. Thick matter settles into the bottom. It is then gradually poured from the accumulated juice in the tanks to the separate container. To this content, calcium hydroxide is added to make the juice alkaline. Alkaline has pH level greater than 7. This process removes impurities from the juice. After removing the impurity, the liquid is steamed. This solidifies the protein in the liquid. Then this solid protein settles in the bottom. The clear juice is extracted from this, which is free from any impurities and protein solids. From this clear juice, concentrated syrup is extracted by evaporation under pressure. The container of the sugarcane juice is connected to vacuum pump and heated to evaporate water. If there is low pressure, evaporation will be smooth. The separation of vapor will be at low temperature and the boiling takes place at low temperature. The sugar can be obtained at a low temperature under pressure. Then the syrup is cooled to obtain crystals of sugar. The crystals are dissolved in hot water and decolorized with animal charcoal or with coconut shell charcoal, which is called norite, and then filtered. The filtrate is concentrated and evaporated under reduced pressure to get syrup which is crystallized. This is white crystals of sugar. During the extraction of sugar, all the syrup does not crystallize. A part of the syrup remains uncrystallized in the form of brown viscous liquid. The uncrystallized syrup is called molasses. It is best used as raw material to manufacture ethyl alcohol in industries.